Hi guys, I'm sorry if I look like this. I look so rough. It's the end of the day. Today I went shopping. We are out of lockdown since I think 2 days ago. So I went shopping with my mom for Christmas sales, and I got something from Gucci and Ferragamo, and I'm also showing you new things that I bought that it's not in the haul but previously bought. I'm sorry that I didn't address this earlier. I've been away for the 1 whole year. It's not because that I'm busy, I'm just not inspired to do any content, to post any content this past year because of some personal issues that I'm not yet ready to talk about. However, now I'm back. Hopefully I can post more videos and share some of the eye candies that I got, that I have, or just share new things with you, or not new things at all, or some boring things, whatever it is. I'm ready. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to share with you is this Gucci cardigan that I got in September, I think, or October, I don't remember, but I got it online from my sales associate. I just sent him a picture and he suggested the size, so I got it in extra small because it's quite oversized. Let's get to today's unboxing. The first item that I got is a shoe from Ferragamo. I'm sorry if I sounded so bad in that, but anyway, Ferragamo boutique is having a sales on selected items. When we went there with my mom, I saw this. Let me just flip the screen. So this one I got for 50% off. It was a good deal, I think. It's a loafer, a leather loafer, and it looks shiny. It is with silver, but it's a dark silver hardware kind of finished, and yeah, it's so comfortable. I got it in a size 5. So I got yeah, I got this one because I like the trend now. It's so on trend. They're wearing those Prada loafers with the chunky heels, but I don't really like those kind of chunky heels because I'm very short and it will make me look even more stumpy with that chunky kind of heels. So I don't think I would wear it as often, and it's damn expensive, you guys. So I decided not to take that one. It's not even in my list to buy, and I found this in Ferragamo website, and I know that they are having sales to clear some stocks because of COVID. They are saying that because of COVID they have a lot of stocks, and even if they replenish a new one, it will be still on sale. So yeah, I got this, and what do you guys think? If you like this kind of style, there's a lot of sizes in stock, and there's like 3 other colors. Oh yeah, and I think the sales will be on until after Christmas maybe, but I'm not sure. But they said that the stock might not be available, so I think you might, if you want, you might need to get your Christmas presents for yourself or for somebody else before Christmas, so you have your sizes. Okay, let's move on. Next is what I got from Gucci. They have this special Christmas packaging. It's green and there's like this embossing all over. It's so nice, and they were having a private sales sort of, so I got an invitation from my associate to come and pick up some sales item. And when I went there, they gave me oh shit, what the, sorry. Okay, so they give me this cheese block, I'm not sure, but fruits and yeah, can you see this, and jam. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it with my mom, but yeah, we were so hungry after shopping. We just went to eat and she just said, I'm gonna call it a day, I can't move anymore. So yeah, I think I'm going to open it with her tomorrow. So nice. Thank you, Gucci. Thank you, Dylan. My sales associate's name is Dylan, so if you ever visit Gucci Pavilion, look for Dylan. He's great. So yeah, this is the first item that I got from Gucci. Wow, there's glitter. Can you see? Yeah, a lot of glitter. Oh no, there's a lot of glitter on this box. So this is my first item, and it is the infamous Gucci tights, guys. Is that dang Gucci tights, and I'm going to wear it with my Gucci cardigan. Okay, this is the next big box from Gucci. So there's only one sales item that I get, discounted item that I get today. I got 3 things, but one of them is on discount. And oh yeah, there is one small gift. It's a Christmas tree ornament, I think that's what you call it, but I don't celebrate Christmas, so I don't use it. But anyway, it's a nice gesture. But okay, I'm going to show you. Yep, so here it is. So I'm just you can choose what you want to, what you wish to write here, and I just write good luck. So okay, that is that. This is the receipt. I'm going to share with you the price later on. And look at this. I don't want to take it out, but I need to because I want to wear it. So why am I talking like this? I don't know. Maybe because I'm too tired and like I'm half awake. Look at the box. There's like these embossing details, and it's so special, so green. Okay, let's unbox it. This is glittery, but cannot see it from the camera. Okay, whatever, I'm not going to spend too long with that. Oh no, it's being tight. Okay, 1 second. Okay guys, I got it out. Oh no, look at that glitter. Now I'm scared. Okay, before I do anything, better I protect my carpet. 1 second. Oh, there's this tiny little leaf. Okay. Ta-da! Yes. So I got these two sweaters ready to wear from Gucci. This is the first. This one is not discounted. It's not a discounted item, and it is a short sleeve sweater or something, half sleeve, and it is perforated. What do you call this? It has holes, but it's knitted, and it's perfect for Malaysian weather. It's not that thick. I like it, and I got it in the size, I don't know what size is it. I'm sorry, I just don't remember. Size S, and this is the code. But yeah, this first item. And then I got this sweater, and this sweater, you guys, is on sale for 50%, half price. Yeah, it's not oversized, it's just a normal size sweater, and it says Gucci Beverly Hills. So I'm going to insert some clips of me trying on these two, and you can see, and I got this in the size S. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. I'm looking rough and I'm very tired. I'm going to take all this makeup off and have my dinner and chill and sleep. And tomorrow I'm gonna have fun with all of this styling, and I plan to share how I style all these things with you, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's all for now. Take care and stay safe. Bye.